just bust down them pancakes. Was not very womanly. I don't care. I was starving. I didn't make no eggs. I didn't make no eggs. I was too hungry. I thought about the cinnamon late, but I should have put the cinnamon powder inside of the mix if I really thought about it. But I thought about it late, like I said. So next time, I made pancakes in like a long time. Like even me making it. So yeah, today will be a daily vlog. I have a few errands to run, but in Manhattan, all the way in Manhattan, child. So yeah, I have some things to do. So yeah, I'm taking an opportunity to make today a daily vlog. I'm trying to start my perfume collection. I want this perfume. It's only Kate Ali's perfume. I forgot the name of it, but I have the picture of it because one of my friends have it and it smells so good on her. And I'm like, girl, I'm like, sis, what the hell? I was like, what the hell are you wearing? She told me it was a Kate Ali perfume, and she eventually sent me the picture of it. I think it's the candy apple, something like that. I remember. Whatever. I'm gonna see if I could get that today while I'm in the city, because I might go to Macy's and Sephora. I also want to go to Forever 21. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Macy's to see if I can find that perfume. And depending on the price, yeah, because we're not breaking pockets over here. They got cheap perfumes. They got reasonable, decent, affordable perfumes. Okay, I'm not about to break my pockets just to buy some perfume. Yeah, because these are Dossier perfumes and they smell fine. And this was what this was $39. So basically this is one of the dupes for like, I forgot which one. I think this is a dupe for Dior perfume, and it smells really good. So yeah, we're not breaking pockets over here to find perfume. So yeah, speaking of affordable and decent price perfumes, I have this package. Oops. I have a Macy's. Well, this one of them is not from Macy's, but I just put it in here because I was getting rid of garbage and stuff. So, but it's a quick little unboxing. I didn't even know that this brand makes perfume. I don't know. I just didn't know that they make perfume. But I was surprised and shocked at how good it smelled. You gotta. Yep, Guess perfume. It smells, the way it smells, it has like a light, airy type of smell. Oh my god, before I took out the box I smelled it. Like, it smells so good. Oh, it has like, I don't know, I have to put the notes out of Nordstrom, and it was like 30 something dollars. It wasn't expensive. Yeah, I can't find the price. For some reason I can't find the price for this, but it was like, I think I screenshot it. So if I find the screenshot, I'll put it on the screen. But I think it's like 30 something dollars. But yeah, it smells so good. Let me Google it. It smells so good. Like I was saying, it has like a light, airy floral. Not heavy on floral, but it just smells so freaking good. Like, so yeah, look at it. This is it. The prices are cheap, as y'all can see. Like, look at that. They all $18, $28. They even have the gift set. 3-piece gift set, which I didn't even know that. They have it for ranging from like $18 to the most I've seen it for is $50. But it have different prices in between that. Oh, it's actually $80 on Walmart. Like it's even on Groupon, child. I'm weak. But yeah, it smells really good. Smells really good. So why would I go buy a perfume for $200 when this smells so good for this price? Nope. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna stay in my lane and my budget and my bank account, and we gonna buy what we can afford. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the next one, this is actually from Macy's. I know everybody knows the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. But this is the mist. So this is just the body spray. And it was on sale. So I can't open it. Shit don't want to come off, y'all. Do I twist it off or what? So this is the size. It's a small size. It's like, oh, what size is this? 3.4 ounces. Yo, what the hell? I gotta take this off with force. All right, let's spray it. Let's do a test spray. Oh, this smell good. Okay, this smell real good. I can smell real expensive for real chick. Look at that. And y'all wouldn't know. Well, but y'all wouldn't know if I wasn't doing this. Y'all wouldn't know. Let me see which one Macy's got and how much I paid. The receipt is in the bag somewhere. Where's the receipt? I got the receipt somewhere, y'all. I think this was on sale for like $20 something. So I just bought it just to try it, just to see what it smells like, to see if I would get the perfume, and I definitely would get the perfume. This brand, this smells good. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, it smells heavenly. This is the one. It smells so freaking good. So I would definitely get this perfume because yeah, it's worth, the smell is heavenly. Like, I love the way it smells. But yeah, I just wanted to do that before I head to the city. I'm about to go to the city, well, in like a couple hours. I just want to get this done and out the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the city. Oh, what's going on, girl? What's going on? Why is not closing? Yeah, so these are adding to my collection. I really still want this. Like, this was a gift, a birthday gift last year, or no, the year before. And baby, love me. Tory Burch smells heavenly. This is why I still have the MC bottle, because we're gonna get this again. We're getting this, so I'm saving the bottle. But yeah, I'm trying to start up my collection that start up my perfume collection, and they all won't be expensive at all, because you don't need to spend a lot to look good or smell good. People need to understand that you don't just spend crazy money to look good or smell good. So me over here, like I said, we're gonna stay in our price brackets. We're gonna stay in our lane, okay? We're not about to go crazy to impress nobody at all. Yeah, because at the end of the day gotta end. Where they get that from? Nah, but where they get that from? Who said that? I don't know where they get that from, but where I got it from, I was watching was Charlamagne and DJ Envy and The Breakfast Club, and Sarah Jakes Roberts was on there, and Charlamagne asked her what level of ratchet is she? And that's what she said. That shit was funny.
With them.
What level of ratchet were you on a scale of like 1 to Glorilla?
Well,
you said 1 to Glorilla.
Well, at the end of the day, the day's got to end. I don't know. I don't even know how to answer that question.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in like a few hours. That's the next time I'm gonna be vlogging. Because right now I'm about to go relax and edit. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next couple of hours when I'm in Manhattan. You know I had to do it. We all do it. Don't judge. This damn gnat won't move. I'm gonna see y'all later on. I'm gonna see y'all in a couple hours when I'm in the city. Okay? When I'm in the... Do I have to kill you on camera? I don't want no witnesses now. Like, you doing too much.
Several hours later.
These bags are mad cute. Vacation couple bags. Found another one. This one is a little bigger. 15, that's not bad. Because I could put a lot in here. Not bad. Yeah, I just found the cutest bag on my trip. Like, it is so freaking cute. I can't show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. Because this music is killing me. Okay. but it can't. This shit was hard to get on my hands. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. This is definitely vacation friendly. It's a long. Wish it wasn't black though. Actually, no, this goes with the bag. I'm bugging. This is really cute with the bag. It's not my size. It's raining. Damn. The rain done caught me again, and I lost my umbrella. So I'm finally about to go in Macy's.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta stop.
It's so pretty in here. It's beautiful in here. It smells so good. Which one is this? Amber? Anything amber smells so good. This is the one. It smells so good. I like the amber much better. This one, I'm gonna try this one now. Hibiscus palm. I had to get my scarf off. I was choking myself with my scarf. Oh, they both smell good. This one smells so good. I'm starving, girl. Let's go. I want to go over there first because it got green. It's all in the front. See? What flowers? Alright, let's go. I'm hungry. Let's go get something. We made it to Red Lobster. I don't deserve look good. We should not be nothing crazy, but I should not even. Well, Red Lobster is a pass. So I got new drinks. A deep sea lobsterita, mocha espresso martini, and a mango berry. I'm working on it. Should I be eating this? Would somebody know? Cute? No, because we don't have it. We don't have it. Thank you. Thank you. Here is mango berry sangria. Oh yeah. Oh, you know I love me a good drink. Now this is it. Thank you. Oh, okay.
This just comes with the...
Okay. Bad boys, what you gonna do? I just got home. I had to make me some tea, some yogi. I'm drinking some yogi green tea, and it says relate to your greatness and not your weakness. Whew. That food was good, but it had me feeling away, so I had to make me some tea when I got home. But I just saw the trailer for Bad Boy Ride or Die. Can't wait for it to come out. I can't wait for it to come out because I'm definitely gonna see that. So yeah, I bought 3 things. I'm gonna show you what I got. All right, so the first thing, I got this denim bag because I just feel like it's cute, it's different. You know, if it go with this, what I have on. definitely could go with this. But I have on, well, the color that is. Yeah, it's like a cute little denim strap bag. Doesn't have a zipper or anything. It does have an opening inside though. Yeah, I can't see, but yeah, I like this. Yeah, I was like, let me get this because I don't have a denim bag. I don't have much of a denim bag, and I really like this. I did go on Shein when I was in the store. I went on Shein to see what kind of denim bags they have, and I ain't seen nothing that caught my eyes. It's a little pricey, but how much is it? $20, I think. How much is this? Yeah, it's $20. But Shein ain't had nothing like this, so I'm like, yeah, let me get this. I like this. The second thing I got, but I tried on the skirt in the store, and there's a large fit me. The large fit pretty well. It was a little bit tight that I'm like, damn, I'm thick. I ain't know. I mean, I know it's thick, but damn, but I like it. It has a little fur at the bottom. Like it has a little fur at the bottom, so I like it. It's see-through, so I'm gonna have to wear like well, I can't say like this, but like literally I can see it all like that. I'm gonna have to wear something under it. So yeah, this is the next thing. Is this cute little Gemini necklace. Just a little cute fashion jewelry. Nothing big, but that's next thing. This is green tea, and I added lemon to it, so I like it. It's yummy. Last thing, I remember when I was in the store and I was like, oh, I found this bag, but I'm not gonna show you until I get home. So I did, again, I went on Shein to see if I saw something similar to it on Shein, like very similar, but it didn't have the black in it. So I'm like, yeah, this is different. I want the black. Yeah, it didn't have a black and it didn't have a strap. So I'm like, I'll still want it. I'll probably still get the one on Shein too, but I like this one. But yeah, look at it. This is cute. This is really cute. I can't tell if it's not cute. And the dress that I showed y'all, I'm gonna probably get the black one to go with it. And it's like a strap-on purse. I have a black dress to go with this. The strap is removable, so I can take the strap off if I want to. Taking off the strap so I can show you how it looks. So I remove the strap, and it still looks super cute. Like, but yeah, look at it. It's so cute. I'm hand model. This is so cute. I love it. Like, so. And then you can open it. That open. That's how it opens. That's how it look inside. And the side view. Close it back. Come on. Don't embarrass me. But yeah, this is so cute. This is a cute little beach wear type of vibe. So yeah, I got this. I have a dress in mind for this already. So yeah, that's all I got. But this is the cutest thing I bought. This is what I was saying about in the store. I was like, oh, I found this cute bag. This is it. And I put the one on the screen from Fashion Nova that I saw that's similar to it. I saw a lot of people with it. That one that's on the screen. I don't like that one. I like that one, but like I said, the black on this give a little touch. Like I like how the black goes with this color. So a black dress, and you're good to go. All these will be for my trip. Every one of them will be for my trip. So I'm excited. But yeah, that's all. That's what I wanted to show you guys what I got. That salmon at Red Lobster was too good. I didn't finish it. I was so full. I was too full. We eat leftovers over here. Yeah, we do. Ain't nothing bougie over here. I do have some Amazon unboxing, but I'm gonna do that like tomorrow or this week. So I will see you guys another day. Peace out.